Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the Crimson in Houston, Texas. The Crimson in Houston, Texas. And this is part 3 of our townhome video. This is a townhome that's within the building. It's very unusual and cool. We've already seen this floor, which is the main entertaining floor. We've seen the upper floor, which is the balcony floor, and now we're going to go see this floor. So this is the bottom floor where you're going to have some great living. So we're actually going down into it right now. It's very high end. I love the stairs. I love the wood on the stairs. It's really pretty. And so let's see these bedrooms that are here. So very nice bedrooms. They're looking very, very nice here. And wow, okay, so this is a large room. This would fit a king anytime. King size bed. You've got a really good space for a lot of other stuff too. TV, dresser, a lot of other stuff over there. We're gonna go into the bathroom and take a look here too. So it's a very nice bathroom. Wow, I love the walk-in shower that's over there. I love the tub that's here, and I love it that they have both options separated. And then look at this amazing dual vanity. Wow. It's really sharp here. The colors are really very distinctive. And then look at this huge mirror. This is amazing. Love this feel here. So also, let's go into the closet. The closet's pretty cool. There's a lot of shelving in here. It's alpha shelving. There's some built-ins that are here. And you can add, of course, since it's alpha, you can add on additional shelves. Ooh, I like that corner one too. You see that? That's really cool. So this is more of this bedroom, and I'm thinking this is probably the master. So let's explore the next one, and we'll make sure which one is which. Okay, so we go into here, and now we're at the another bedroom. This is very cute. This is definitely a guest bedroom, but it's so super cute. You can have that king bed in here if you want, or you can just have a queen bed. But this is pretty cool because you've got views of the terrace where you can walk out. We're gonna go check out that terrace in a minute. That's a fun deck, and it's fun to have access to that. We also have the bathroom that's here. This bathroom is really cute. That's a really big walk-in shower. And then this very nice mirror and vanity. The flooring is really pretty. It's a 6x18 kind of tiled flooring. And then the closet. Okay, the closet is very nice size. It's got a lot of shelving in here. Wow, okay, impressive. Impressive, I like this. I like the built-ins that are here too. And I really like the wood. I like it that they really are very prominently featuring wood in great places. So beautiful, beautiful secondary bedroom. This is a fun place. Okay, so before we leave, we are gonna go onto that deck. We're gonna go see it. So I'm gonna go take you out there on the deck. If you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text. This is the bottom floor of the 3-story high-rise.